my channel. I'm Mel and this is how I comb my hair on a daily basis in less than 5 minutes. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. So this is gonna be a very quick tutorial. I'm not gonna section any top or bottom part. So this is how I do. I just section it into both sides like this. So the inner one, we will curl inwards. So you see my barrel is going inwards, the direction of my hand is like going this way, so this is inwards. I don't keep it very long, so I raise it vertically so that it will be like this. Put it to the back. The next one. This video is very self-explanatory because you can see how I actually do it. So for this one, I'll go outwards, so you can see I'm turning my barrel outwards. And then very important, release it vertically. I don't really hold like for a few seconds, I don't, because if your barrel is hot on its own, right, you do not need to like, count for a few seconds. At the end of the day, I'm not looking for like super curly curl, I'm just looking for a slight wave and just give my hair a little bit of volume. You see right there? And just put it to the back. So it will not be too messy because those that are curled are at the back, those that are not curled is at the front. Okay. Because my hair is layered, that's why this will come out, but no worries. Just take it this way. Alright, so one side is curled. To the other side. Same thing for the most back ones, you curl inwards. Even if you don't know how to curl inwards, it's okay. Just curl how you usually curl outwards. It's totally fine. But just that I'm used to it. So I understand that the other time I actually did a hair tutorial, but that one is when my hair is like one length. But right now my hair is in layers, so it might be slightly harder because such thing will happen. But I feel that, if you want to have, if you like this kind of like wavy curls, it's better to have layer so that your curls will appear in different sections instead of like one whole chunk of curls at the same level. So in this way, when you have layers and when you curl your hair, different curls is at different position, so your hair will look more in place, more volume. So I do not put any heat protector, but if you can find something that is suitable like a heat protector, you should use it. But I'm just afraid that my curl wouldn't stay, so I didn't put a heat protector. But if you do have any heat protector to recommend, then you can leave it in the comments below, then I'll just check it out. Alright, so 4 minutes is up. My curls are done. There you go, curled hair in less than 5 minutes. So this is how I do it on a daily basis. And next up, I'll just be using a hair oil. This is the one that I've been using. It's cheap and it's good. It doesn't leave my hair very greasy. So for hair oil, you just have to, give it a little bit of balance. Apply it this way. Ta-da! So yes, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video.